Hi, this is Ken Lau. I will show you how to create these. Um, well, this is part of the series. Now we activate the PowerView buttons. So we're going to recreate that. So first by city. So based on the city, we're going to map it to the map. And next is go to meadows. Look at the number of spots. But by default, it's just give a list of the thing, right? It's like a well, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, six spots. Amsterdam we have more than, so there's actually a lot, right? So will, right? So let's change that. Instead of doing a list, right, we do a count. Everywhere actually have 250 spots, not just six. Okay, come on next. And next, I want to know that the Olympic holds on this city, what type of it? Are they summer or the winter? So I go to the season, I check on it. Everywhere is winter, Amsterdam is summer, and um, let's switch it to a map. Go to the design tab, change to map, and that's the map. We can also use a map to change, to include only one. Where is Abbeville? Where is Amsterdam? And that's Amsterdam. And so kind of like looking at that. So there are 709. And which year does it help on, right? So perhaps that could be useful as well. Let's look at the. So I'm going to drag the edition. Okay, I can't, right? Because this is on map view. Let's go back to the table then. Switch back to table. We're going to drag the edition. Okay, it's in year 1928 then. So they must be create a table, right? We'll talk about that later then. Okay, remove this field. And thanks for watching. This is Power Wheel Introduction. Thank you.